This video is for smart mechanical engineers only. Don't watch this video unless you're a very smart mechanical engineer. In my recent videos, I talked about my eviction hearing that's scheduled for February the 19th. And recently, I've been preparing to have my evidence ready for the hearing by February the 12th to meet the 7-day advance deadline for submission of evidence. But it turns out that things are about to get a lot more exciting. On Wednesday of this week, I found out that my hearing on the 19th of February has been cancelled, and instead, the tenant board has scheduled a different hearing that will be held on January 27th. So I have much less time to prepare evidence than I originally thought. So that's why in this video, I'll be doing the YouTube comment section Expert Witness Testimony Challenge. It turns out that my old buddy Michael Klein, the landlord, is of the belief that vacant possession is required in order to replace the kitchen plumbing risers in this multi-family residential apartment building. One of the pieces of evidence that I'm trying to produce is a piece of expert testimony from a certified mechanical engineer who can describe the process of kitchen plumbing stack replacement in a multi-family residential apartment building, and most importantly, to provide an opinion on whether vacant possession is required in order to complete this type of work, and if there are circumstances that require vacant possession to complete the plumbing replacement, to state what those circumstances are. I have been working on researching this topic for a while now, although it's been complicated by the fact that the existing building permits expired on December 17th, just before the Christmas holidays. Having a valid building permit is a requirement for the landlord to win at the N13 eviction hearing. And since the landlord obviously knew that their building permit would be expired by the time of the eviction hearing, I assumed that they were probably planning to renew the building permit sometime in January, just before the eviction hearing. I do have a copy of the expired building permits, but I don't yet know if new and possibly altered building permits exist yet. I have tried contacting the city recently to see if the building permits have been renewed, but it seems like last week everyone is still just getting back from holiday and communication is slow. I also tried reaching out to some consulting engineers this week, and one of them is apparently on vacation until January 14th. So, if you're a smart mechanical engineer who likes to explain things, please upvote this video and share it with other mechanical engineers. But if you're not a smart mechanical engineer, please dislike this video. And finally, if you're a mechanical engineer and you'd like to advertise your services in providing engineering consulting or acting as an expert witness, feel free to advertise yourself in the comments below. It's possible that I might not actually end up using the commentary that I received from this video, but having more discussion on this topic will definitely be helpful in the future for the thousands of other residents in Ontario who are currently being rent evicted under a similar basis.